Hello to everyone that's out there. Today is Sunday, and a lot of people are upset because they have to go to work tomorrow. But it doesn't have to be like that. It really doesn't. I've been working from home for a long time. I've been online for years. And I've been a part of American Bill Money since May of 2017 and generated thousands of dollars online. And I'm just extremely excited to bring you this video tonight and show you the checks that I have been able to receive utilizing the system. For those that don't know, American Bill Money has been around, like it says here, since 2003. A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. You do not need a computer to make money with this system. All you need to do is get postcards, put them on stamps. You can earn money online. From home. With that, you can connect this to a funnel and start to run traffic to your American Bill Money website. And people want to know, what do? I do both. I started out mailing thousands and thousands of postcards consistently. I had a certain budget of postcards I would put in the mail every single week. And just to show you, for August, $300 from American Bill Money. Most recent check, $525. And I know this is going to be hard to believe, but I also received a check for $1,500 the month of August, and I lost it. I did the mobile deposit, and after the mobile deposit, I don't know what I did with it, but that's okay, because the only part that matters is that I made the money. It was mailed to me, and I cashed it. That's the main thing, right? That's the most important part. So just to show you, in the month of July, August, right? Yep, July. Check for $450, American Bill Money. Here is the 27th for $225. The 13th, $600. July 6th for $525. And I've been receiving these checks every single week since I first started the program, like my second week into the program. If you go back and look at some of my other videos, they weren't this big. They were like $75, $150, sometimes $300. But what I love about this program is that even though there's some weeks where I have maybe $300, $400, $500 weeks, sometimes even $600 weeks, there's a lot of weeks where I have $1,500 weeks, and I get checks for $1,500. You know, here in June, for 3 weeks straight, I made over $600. For 3 weeks straight, $600 to me. And another week in June, I did $750 with American Bill Money. And this keeps going on and on and on and on. So if you're looking for a consistent postcard program that actually works, where you can generate a full-time ongoing income and tell your job goodbye forever, this is the company that I would highly recommend. Not only that, I've been in other postcard programs that I didn't do well with, that I tried, and they didn't pay on time, they didn't send out the postcards on time, they didn't give you quality leads, and on and on and on. But I can definitely say that with American Bill Money, you can build a full-time income, and you can do it pretty quickly as long as you're consistent. So if you want more information, you can click on the description below, and my link is there. If you want to reach out to me, that's there as well. Please subscribe to my channel. to follow my ongoing results. And you can also connect with me on Facebook. So have a great night. Thanks so much for viewing my video. I'm looking to inspire people to work at home, spend more time with your family, leave those dead end jobs. If I can do it, anybody can do it. So have a great night.